up next we have Sanjeev Bharathi. His speech is titled, Tiny Scissors, Big Miracle. Yes, come on up. Sorry about that, I brought the wrong paper up. See, even the pros can make mistakes, guys. There you go.
Good morning, everyone. Imagine your body comes with a 3 billion page instruction manual. Now, picture this. On page 1634, someone spills a drop of juice and smudges one tiny word. Instead of build strong muscles, it reads build spaghetti? That tiny typo is a genetic disorder, one invisible change in DNA that can completely rewrite a child's life. And that's why I'm here to talk about one of the greatest inventions in history, CRISPR. And no, it's not a new brand of potato chips, although the name does sound delicious. There was a boy named KJ Mulu. He was born with a rare condition called CPS1 deficiency. His body couldn't remove ammonia from his blood. For us, ammonia is just a chemistry word. But for KJ, it was poison. While other babies were learning to crawl, KJ's parents were just hoping he would survive the night. Then, doctors used CRISPR. Think of it as microscopic, super smart scissors. Not the arts and crafts kind, and definitely not the kind your teacher tells you to not run with. These scissors can go into DNA, find the mistake, snip it out, and repair. Basically autocorrect for the human body. They fixed KJ's DNA. Today, his liver works. He can eat, grow, and a cold is no longer life-threatening. For his family, this wasn't just science. It was a miracle. Why is CRISPR so revolutionary? For thousands of years, humans could only treat symptoms. If your DNA was written incorrectly, that was your fate. CRISPR changes that. It corrects disease at its source. And CRISPR isn't just saving one life, it's treating diseases like sickle cell anemia, detecting cancer earlier than ever, improving crops, and even stopping deadly viruses. For the first time in history, we're not just treating disease, we're fixing it. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We must always use CRISPR ethically and carefully. And if we do, it could end centuries of genetic suffering. And that's why CRISPR isn't just science. It's humanity's greatest invention. Tiny scissors that cut away suffering and give people a second chance. This story isn't in the history books yet, but one day will be. And if I play my cards right today, maybe they'll even have my name for sharing this awesome story. Or at least give me a lifetime supply of those CRISPR chips I keep thinking about. Thank you.
Today, Avani Gil Goman. Our second place finalist today is Sanjeev Bharathi. Please come up to the stage. Well done. Our first place presenter today, and the winner of this category, is Renan Sharma. Please come up to the stage.
We're just going to take a photo, but can we get a big round of applause for Great work. Thanks, guys. Congratulations.